Hello guys. Continue with this Kenmore 1792. This part is about this right side of the machine when it's the bell. And the owner manual say oiling and cover plate. Just if you need to oil, you're just going to put the draw oil here without open. There are a little hole here. That one. But if you had to open, there are two little screws, one in here one and this other one, and be careful because you see that says electronic part. We don't want to touch that part, but if for some reason you want to open, well, I do it in my machine. So take the screw, little screw for the right, and now this one. Pay attention, trying to not lose that screw. Is little. Like just like that. And start to remove. There you go. This is the screw. So little, so careful, just like that, and you can see that part. And this is your machine. If you want to clean in that part, just remember is cleaning this part. There are two bells there. And since we are in here, we can put the oil there. I'll say in the manual, because they say put the oil in this hole. This hole go here. And I know the other draw oil can be here, because for that is that red area like that. That's all, guys, and pay attention. Don't go into do nothing with cables, just to cleaning. You see, that part is really dirty. Okay. That's all. That's it about this Kenmore. Thank you guys for watch. If you have more questions about this machine, remember there are many parts for how to clean it. Subscribe to my videos and it's going to be more easy to find. God bless you. Please continue pray for the world. Bye.